Good morning, parents, staff, and class of 2024. My name is Adrian Bautista Estero Jr., and I'm honored to be one of this year's valedictorians. Firstly, I would like to thank the staff, my friends, and my family who have helped me get to this point, because without them, I wouldn't be in the position I am today. I would also like to congratulate the class of 2024 for making it this far in their educational careers, though there's still a long way to go. During my time here at LaCon, I have learned so much, but there are two lessons I've learned that really stuck with me. First is that it is never that serious. I know that sounds cliche or harsh, but it's true. Now, I'm not saying to take everything as a joke, because there are things to take seriously. What I'm saying is that you need to focus on bigger issues or the bigger picture rather than dwelling on some other problems. Don't stress yourself out on things that won't even matter in a year's time. I remember when I first came to LaCon, I was so worried no one would like me. To combat this, I did the absolute most in everything, especially my appearance and how I presented myself to my peers. I would always think about my appearance about 10 times a day because I was so worried about small details about myself. And I was so worried people would think I was weird or just not like me in general. I would fix my hair 24/7, fix my skinny pants, ask my friends what shoes look best on me, etc. I would always try to be polite amongst everyone. Now that I look back on this, I realized it was never that serious. I realized I was looking at and dwelling on small issues. This held me back a bit. When I started looking at the bigger picture, I allowed myself to grow. Looking at the bigger picture allowed me to accomplish what I wanted to accomplish, like right now becoming valedictorian. You see, when you start looking at the bigger picture is when you stop wishing and start succeeding. This leads me to the second thing I've learned here at LaCon, and it's to not worry about what others think about you. Looking back at the story I told you guys about how I tried so hard to be likable, I now see that I shouldn't have been so worried about what others thought. I shouldn't have been so worried if I was good enough, and I think you guys should use me as an example in your lives. Don't be so hard on yourself. Don't pay attention to what others have to say about you. Don't worry if you're good enough. Life is too short to worry about these types of things. And if you continue to dwell, if you continue not to move on, you'll end up missing the opportunities in life. So, wear that outfit you think people won't like his or her post on Instagram, eat what you want to eat, live how you want to live. As a famous singer Frank Ocean once said, work hard in silence, let your success be yours. At the end of the day, the only opinion you should be worried about is yours. Because you're the main person that will lead yourself to success, and it's up to you if you want to work hard and be successful. As I near the end of my speech, I would like to give a few thank yous. Thank you to the amazing staff here at LaCon for making a great environment for learning and endless possibilities. Thank you for all the students here graduating today for making the LaCon experience. Lastly, thank you to my biggest supporters, my parents. Ma, Pa, salamat sa lahat na ginawa mo para sa akin. Salamat sa sakripisyo mo kasi kung wala rin sa support ko, sakripisyo at mahal niyo sa akin, hindi ako magsasalita ngayon. Magpapatuloy ko maging mabuti sa eskwela para mag-proud kayo at para hindi masasayang lahat ng ginawa niyo para sa akin. Mahal na mahal kita. My parents up there, by the way, thank you. As I conclude my speech, I want to leave you with a quote by famous singer Phoebe Bridgers. It goes, anyway, don't be a stranger. Don't be a stranger to me. DM me if you need anything. FaceTime me when you want to talk. Make plans with me when you want to hang out. Say hi to me when we see each other at Target. Dap me up when we see each other on the street. LaCon will always be my home, and you are all my strangers to me. Class, I can't wait to see all of you later down your lives and what we will become. But until then, thank you and congratulations to the class of